Hey Nash, what should we make?
I'm feeling cheese and meat today. How about we make some cheese stuffed smoked meatballs?
All right, let's make cheese stuffed smoked meatballs. Today, we're gonna make cheese stuffed meatballs. More like meatballs you serve as an appetizer with like a toothpick in it. Less like a meatball that you'd put in spaghetti. They should be good. We're gonna smoke them. They'll be delicious and stuffed with ooey gooey cheese. So hey, without further ado, let's go. So we start with a bowl and a pound of ground beef. And to our ground beef, we add a half a cup of breadcrumbs, a quarter cup of milk or cream. I'm using cream, a teaspoon of Worcestershire, a few cloves of minced garlic, a few tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, about a tablespoon of tomato paste, a little bit of grated mozzarella, about a teaspoon of salt, pepper, and garlic, about the same of your favorite barbecue rub. Then we crack one egg, and then we just mix all this together. And then we set this aside. And then we get some cheddar cheese, and you could grate this just as easily, but I'm just gonna cut this into like cubes. That seems about right. Don't forget to pay the cheese tax. You want to start with about a golf ball size piece, smash that into kind of a patty, and then we just put our cheese in there and then just form our meatball around the cheese and then try to get it into as clean a ball as possible. These are gonna be artisanal. They're gonna be rustic. So there we go. That's kind of what we're looking for. It's not the prettiest thing, but it'll work. All right. And then we just wash, rinse, and repeat. All right, so there's our guys. So now off to the smoker. And we smoke it low and slow with applewood until our meatballs hit 160. And while our meatballs are cooking, we want to go ahead and make a basting sauce. So we will do some barbecue sauce, some ketchup, and the mustard of your choice. And we'll just go ahead and mix this up. And then throughout your cook, we just want to brush our guys with this sauce. And back to the smoker we go. And here's our guys right out of the smoker. Looks like we got a few that busted, but that's all right. You know, it is what it is. We're gonna serve these as appetizers. These are super hot, so we're gonna let them cool. And I'll be back in a second. And there we have our cheese stuffed meatballs. Cheese stuffed appetizer meatballs. I didn't have any fancy toothpicks that had any like flags or any little designs or anything, so these are just regular toothpicks. But hey, it'll work. Because like everything else on our channel, we're not really going for pretty, we're going for delicious. So there we go. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. It's amazing. It's got a nice smoky flavor. It's got that delicious little base that we made, just like a little bit barbecuey and sort of, and when I say barbecuey, obviously the barbecue sauce, but like barbecuey is in like a barbecue or a cookout. I'm from the West Coast, so we call it a barbecue when you have people over and you grill. I know cookout is probably more popular in most of the country. I don't know. I know it's like the South, Midwest. I don't know what you people call it, but hey, if you have other things to call these things, let me know, because I like them. Barbecue, cookout, da-da-da-da-da. Anyways, it's really, really good. It's kind of the perfect like two-biter, one-biter maybe if you have a huge mouth. Let's be honest, I could take down a whole one in one bite. But it's like a two-biter, you know, with a little toothpick. Anyways, it's really good. It's moist. It's got a ton of flavor. The meatball's really good. And then you got that ooey gooey sort of cheese center. It's kind of like the concept of like a Tootsie Pop or a Blow Pop. How many bites does it take to get the ooey gooey cheese center? Anyways, it's 3, by the way. But no, super good. I highly recommend it. And smoked, it's awesome. But like I always say, if you don't have a smoker, just make it in the oven. It's still gonna be good. That's what I think. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm wearing my bandana like a cape because I'm super dog.
Well, check it out. We got these cheese stuffed meatballs you wanted. Here you go. What do you think?
Oh man, that's delicious. The juicy smoked meatball with the ooey gooey cheesy center just feels right.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail.
Nash approves, I approve. Look, it's a great dish. It's a super easy dish. Great for an appetizer if you're having people over, or you have a cookout or a barbecue, or insert other names for such things that y'all are gonna drop in the comments, right? No, it's just really good. Good all around. So go make it. But hey, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that'd help us out. It'd mean a lot. Leave us comments. We love comments. And hey, if you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments. And or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. Johnny from Fairbanks, I'm looking at you. I know you comment. We love you. Anything you want us to make, we'll make it. You're from Alaska. I don't know, maybe there's some weird Alaskan thing that I don't even know about that I want to make. I can taste it. It's delicious. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, be good and peace.